bundok lumubog na ang araw at hindi na gumagalaw, naghihilik ng kalabaw. English! It's very, very happy because the moon is shining, the sun is now sinking down the mountain, and the Carabao is snoring, no more moving, moving. May isang chismosa, napakadaldalera, ang palayaw sa kanya ay bruha. Nagkakalat ng chismis, pa-English, English pa, English na parang telegrama. Mayroong mag-asawa, sila'y nagyayabang pa, na simpleng-simple daw ang wedding nila. Pagkat walang trahe di Buda, ikinasal lang sa kama. English! There are Mr. and Mrs. when they were married. Simple, simple, there is no expenses. No wedding gown to be made. They're only married on bed. May isang chismosa, napakadaldalera, ang palayaw sa kanya ay bruha. Nagkakalat ng chismis, pa-English, English pa, English na parang telegrama. At may nagpenpalan, parihong naglukuhan, ginamit ay magandang larawan. Ngunit nang nagkita sila, kapwa ay pangit pala. English! Pen pal, two people writing, they also cheating. Beautiful picture they are using. But when they both meeting, they were ugly looking. Sila pala'y kapwa duling, mukha ay parang matsi.